You have these COVID antibody drugs, a single antibody and a cocktail. How concerned are you about these new strains, particularly the one associated with South Africa, about how well your antibody, the single antibody in particular, will still work against it?
Yeah, thank you, Meg. As I said, it's been just a miracle of science in terms of the speed at which the industry developed these. And our scientists at Lilly worked so hard last year. I'm so proud of them to produce, as you say, not one, but two EUAs and medicines to treat COVID. We're waiting on the combination approval from the FDA now. It's under review. The UK variant gets a lot of press because it's spreading. It's probably 50% more contagious, although there's no evidence it's more lethal. It seems clear that the single antibody from Lilly and probably the cocktail from our, Regeneron will arrest that just like it does the normal variant. We haven't done a clinical study to that effect, but we have preclinical data that's highly suggestive that that's not going to be an issue. There's also a variant in Japan that people are tracking that likely could be impacted successfully with our antibody combination and monotherapy. The South African variant, as you point out, is the one of concern. It has more dramatic mutations to that spike protein, which is the target of these. Theoretically, it could evade our medicines. So what we need to do is work, and I think there was an op-ed from Dr. Scott Gottlieb over the weekend in the Wall Street Journal. We need to work with the FDA to have a much more rapid cycle time to deploy new antibody combinations. We actually have a large library of these antibodies now that are sitting preclinically. We could think about a very expedited path to study them in maybe a month or two and then authorize their use. That would seem to be a smart thing to do as this virus mutates. So we have an armamentarium of medicines to backstop vaccination, which is rolling out now, as we know, but not everyone will get the vaccination, not everyone will respond. We need medicines for the long term. We're talking to the FDA about that right now.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.